They say the beauty fades, but how about we slow aging and truly take care of your skin like a routine? Life is not about rainbows and cupcakes. There are sleepless nights, very, very early mornings. But when you truly take care and love yourself just exactly the way you are, everything looks fine. Everything will be alright. And when you truly love yourself from deep within, that's the perfect time you find love. And when you find love, you'll never let go. You'll be loyal forever, just like Estee Lauder is loyal to your skin.